Good morning, student. I am your Ritesh sir. Introducing chapter motion. Motion, two words: motion and movement. As I used to say, TION is the process. You know, movement or the moves you have already seen in many dance reality shows, where the judges say that your moves were very good, very nice, very attractive. Moves and movement and motion. These are the words related to this chapter. Movement are those having just a activity, just having this type of movement, but not distance travel. When distance, the process of taking move to change the place is called motion, right? Now, the word reference point, it is very important. Reference point. Reference point means from which point we started movement. From which point we start to move, in which direction. It is another thing. Reference point is the point from where we assume to start. That's why in every city, in every town, there is a 0 mile. A milestone is there and it is mentioned 0 mile. That means that we are taking measurement of this city, of this town, from this point to another, right? So this is the reference point. It is reference point from where we have to start. Suppose if I say go to Patna, from where? Then I must say from your place to Patna. Means you have to start from your place and move to Patna. Not now, I am not saying in which direction, in which way. Okay, so it is another topic. So reference point is that he went Patna. Then from where? From where he went to Patna? From where he went to Delhi? I simply said I went to Delhi. Then what does it mean? I went Delhi from this place or from my native place. So this is the reference point from where we start to measure the motion, measure the movements, right? And the most important is distance and displacement. Distance, it is the total sum from the initial point to final point, from starting point to destiny. This is the distance and displacement. This is the shortest distance between initial point to final point, right? Distance is a scalar and displacement is vector. What is scalar and what is vector? The physical quantity having only magnitude and the quantity having magnitude as well as direction is called vector. What is magnitude? Magnitude is just amount, how much, okay, number and the unit, okay. So magnitude is clear. Magnitude is amount with unit, right? Now the word is uniform velocity, uniform motion. What is uniform? As you used to go in school, that you have seen that every student in same dress. Why? For the uniformity, and the dress is also called uniform, right? So the movement or the motion with respect to time with equal interval, equal distance travelled in equal time is called uniform. And here I am also clearing that the graph of the distance and time graph of uniform motion is always straight. Why? Because it is gradually equal distance travelled in equal time of interval or equal span of time, right? Why? Non-uniform is, it is unequal distance travel in equal time, you can say, or unequal distance travel in unequal time. Here we measure distance, time is gradually moving, we cannot stop time, so equal, right now. Suppose if you have to move 50 or 60 kilometers, right, two ways is there. Either you continuously ride your bike with constant or uniform speed 60 kilometers per hour, right? By this you can move. Or sometime you want some break, you want a cup of tea, you want to take rest, either for you and for the machine vehicle also. So for a while, for a minute, for a few minutes, you used to stop moving. Then at that point, your motion, your speed, your velocity become zero, right? But after some time, because time is given there, you have to reach at that time. So you start your bike giving acceleration, speed up and move like this. Okay? So then the change is there. When you start from 60 kilometers, you stop for a while and again you start your bike with 70 kilometers. Then this is non-uniform because your speed is changed, right? So this is non-uniform motion. Clear? This is non-uniform motion, and the graph will be of non-uniform motion like this, zigzag. As you change your motion, as you change your speed with respect to time, your graph will be up and down. But for straight line motion, it represents the uniform motion, right? Now, two words are here, acceleration and retardation or disacceleration, you can see. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Okay, with respect to time, v is the final velocity and u is initial velocity. Why we take final, why we take u as the initial? Because we have to compare now, then we can take average, right? So it is the v minus u by t. Same thing is here. If retardation is that, it is just a negative. Okay, when we applied brake, then it start deceleration, right now? It start deceleration or retardation. Retardation or deceleration is also called negative force, right? It is also negative force, okay? And the unit meter per second square, where the speed is the distance by time and the unit is meter per second. So in next video I will carry it and I will explain more about this motion. Thank you.